Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. All of you are welcome to NIB's Home School. This is Abir Khan, Assistant Teacher in Mathematics at Day Shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today, I'm gonna take mathematics class for class 3. And our today's topic is word problem, page 72. Question number is 3, 4 and 5, which is included your half yearly exam, and our today's lecture is 26 and SW number 24, which is the same as this class. Now my dear students, go to start our class. Question number 3. 3 parts out of 5 parts of a 60-meter long ribbon are given to Ruma. How many meters of the ribbon does Ruma get? So here 60-meter long ribbon. So solution, given that 60-meter long ribbon, then 3 parts out of 5 parts of 60-meter long ribbon. So here 5 parts is equal to 60 meters. Therefore, 1 part is equal to 60 divided 5 meter. So here you have to divide 60 by 5. Here 60 divide 5. First of all, you have to take the first digit. Here is 6. 5 ones are 5. Now subtract 5 from 6. You have 1. Now bring down 0 here and it makes 10. And we know that 5 2s are 10. So there is no remainder. So 60 divided 5, it is 12 meters. From this we get now 1 part is equal to 12 meters. So we have to give 3 parts. So therefore 3 parts is equal to 12 multiplied by 3 meters. Now you have to multiply 12 by 3 here. 12 multiplied by 3, then 3 2s are 6 and 3 ones are 3. So here 3 multiplied by 12, it is 36 meters. So the required answer is 36 meters. My dear students, hope you understood this one. Now go to the next question. There are 55 books in East Almira. How many books are there in 12 such almiras? So here solution, "55 books in East Almira." So in one almira, "55 books therefore in 12 such almiras, 12 almiras, How many books are there? 55 multiplied by 12 books. So now you have to multiply 55 by 12. So here 5 2s are 10, here is carry 1, 5 2s are 10 and 1, it is 11. So here you have to use 0 for tens place. Now 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5. Now add this one, 0 0 is 0, 5 and 1 is 6, 5 and 1 is 6. So 55 multiplied by 12, it will be 660 books. So how many books are there? So there is 660 books. My dear students, hope you understood this one. Now go to the next one, and the last one in our class. There are 44 students. How many benches will be needed for 4 students to sit in each bench? So here solution. Four students can sit in one bench. Therefore 44 students can sit in 44 divided by 4 benches. Now you have to divide 44 by 4. Now took the first digit 4 ones are 4. Now subtract 4 from 4, there is no remaining. Now bring down 4 here, again 4 ones are 4, and subtract 4 from 4, here is 0, so there is no remainder. So 44 divided by 4, it will be 11. So 11 benches. So how many benches will be needed? So answer is 11 benches. My dear students, hope you understood the word problems. Practice more and more at your home. Take care of yourself. See you soon, and till then, Allah Hafiz.